Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to learn algebra exercise 3.9. Find the GCD for the following. GCD means greatest common divisor. What is that? What is the expansion? Greatest common divisor. Okay. It is also called it as HCF. Highest common factor. What is this? Highest common factor. Okay. So GCD, it is also known as highest common factor, HCF. Okay. So we are going to find the GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay. First you take it p power 5. So we can write as it is p power 5 only. Then p power 11, p power 5 into p power 6. Because you know that a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay. So 5 plus 6 you will get 11. Okay. So p power 11 I written as p power 5 into p power 6. Okay. Then p power 9 equal to p power 5 into p power 4. Okay. 5 plus 4 what you will get children? 9. Okay. Now you find the GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. Okay. Here p power 5 is present in all that numbers. Okay. So p power 5, p power 5, p power 5. All the terms it present. Okay. So the GCD is p power 5. GCD of p power 5, p power 11 and p power 9 is p power 5. Okay children. So greatest common divisor in this, in all the terms, which element is present at p power 5. So p power 5 is the GCD. Okay. See the next one. 9a square b square c cube, comma 15 a cube b square c power 4. Okay. First you split this 9a square b square c cube equal to, how can you split this 9? 3 into 3. Okay. So a square, how can you split this? A into b square c cube. 3 times we need to write. C into c. Okay. Next 15 a cube b square c power 4. So 15, how can you split children? 3 into 5. Okay. Into a cube, a into a. B square, b into b. Okay. B into b. And c power 4, c into c. Okay. See here in this, which is the common? 3 is common. Okay. 3 is present both the terms. Okay. Then a. Here another a. Next b. Okay. Then c. So this is the GCD of the given sum. So GCD of 9 a square b square c cube and 15 a cube b square c power 4 equal to, here number 3 is common. So 3. A here, how many A's are there? 1, 2. So a power 1 into a power 1, a square, 3a square. Here b into b square. Then c, 1, 2, 3 times it occurs. So c cube. So the GCD of 9a square, b square, c cube and 15a cube, b square, c power 4 equal to 3a square, b square, c cube. Do you understand, children? See the next one. A b square c cube, a square b cube c, comma a cube b c square. Okay, first you split this a b square c cube. How can you write this? A into b square, b into b, c cube, c into c into c. Okay, next a square b cube c equal to a square. How can you write this? A into b cube, b into b into b into c. Next a cube b c square equal to a into a into b c square c into c. Okay, c square only. So c into c. Okay. Now find out the common factor here. A is there. Then next b. Okay, this is one part. And here b is not there. Okay, leave it. Then you look at the c. Okay, so here two c's are there, but here there is no c except we already included this. Okay, so now write the GCD. So GCD equal to, here a is common, a, next b, next c. Okay, children. So what is the answer? GCD is a, b, c. Is it clear, children? Okay. See the next one. 25 a b q c. 25 a b q c equal to 25 into a into b q. How can you write, children? b into b into b into c. Okay. Next 100 a square bc equal to 100. How can you split? Here 25 is there. So 25 into 4 into a square, a into a into b into c. Okay. Next 125 a b equal to 25 into 5 into a into b. Okay. So GCD equal to, okay, first find out the common factor here. 25 is present in all the terms. Next a, next b. Okay, write this 25 a b. Okay, but because here c is not there. Okay, so that element should be occur in all the terms. That is the GCD you want to take it. Okay, here 25 is occur all the terms, and a is occur all the terms, b is occur all the terms, but c is occur only 2 terms. It is not occur in the third term, so we didn't take it up. Okay, so what is the GCD? 25 AB. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. See the next one. Find the GCD of the following. Okay, your first term 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 equal to, how can you write this? 1 into 2x plus 5. Okay, next 5x plus 2. 1 into 5x plus 2. Now, which is common, children? Here 1 is common. Okay, so GCD equal to 1. Okay, children? See the next one. A power m plus 1, comma, a power m plus 2, comma, a plus m, a power m plus 3. You know that exponent formula, a power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. So we are going to use this. First you take it the first term, a power m plus 1. How can you write this? A power m into a power 1. Next, a power m plus 2. So a power m into a power 1 into a power 1, because here 2 is there. So 1 plus 1 you will get 2. Okay. Next, a power m plus 3 equal to a power m into a power 1 into a power 1 into a power 1, because 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. Okay. Now you look at here, which is the common factor here. A power m is present all the terms. So you take it that. Next, a power 1. Okay. After that, here there is no a power 1. Okay. So GCD equal to a power m into a power 1. How can you write this? A power m plus 1. Is it clear, children? The next one, 2a square plus a, comma, 4a square minus 1. Okay. So first you take it 2a square plus a equal to, just here in this, a is common. Just you take it out. What is remaining? 2a plus 1. See the next one, 4a square minus 1. Here square is there. Okay. So I am going to replace this. 2a the whole square. How can you write this? 4a square, I written 2a the whole square. While squaring, what I will get, children? You will get 4a square. Because 2 square 4, a the whole square, a square. Minus 1 the whole square. 1 the whole square, what you will get, children? 1 only. Now I am going to use the identity. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a equal to 2a, b equal to 1. Okay, just substitute here 2a plus 1 into 2a minus 1. Okay, children? So now you compare that, which is common. 2a plus 1, 2a plus 1. Okay. So the GCD is 2a plus 1. Is it clear, children? What is the GCD here? 2a plus 1. Because 2a plus 1 is present both the terms. So that is the greatest common divisor. See here, x power 4 minus 1, comma, x square minus 1. Okay. First you take it x power 4 minus 1. This one, x square the whole square, written like this. X square the whole square, what you will get, children? X power 4 minus 1 the whole square. Because I am going to use the identity, so that I did like this. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Here a equal to x square, b equal to 1. Okay. Just substitute here x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. Okay, children? And this x square minus 1, how can you split this? You see here again you can write like this, x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 square. Again you should apply this identity. Okay. So x square plus 1 into, here again you should apply this, x a plus b, a minus b. Here a equal to x, b equal to 1. So x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay children, see the next one. Take the next term, x square minus 1. How can you write this? X square minus 1 square. Here a equal to x, b equal to 1. Okay. So now substitute here a plus b, a minus b. So x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay. So in this, look at here, which is common here? X plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay. So the GCD is x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay children, is it clear to you? Thank you children.